The Chakkarpur-Wazirabad Bundh, also known as the Green Lung of Gurugram, is a linear forest. It acts as an urban mobility corridor, enabling people from all walks of life to cut across the city. The walking and cycling tracks offer a safe and accessible place for pedestrians and cyclists. But that wasn't always true. At one time, the Bundh and adjoining waterways were completely derelict. Piles of garbage and construction waste were everywhere. The foul smell was unbearable, and commuting via the forest was unsafe. Corporate entities, non-governmental organizations, and the government came together to restore the Bundh. It wasn't an easy task, but collaboration made it possible.
और जितने पेड़ पौधे हैं, यदि जीवन में एक पेड़ भी लगा है तो वो हमारा लाइफ है, जीवन है, और उसके साथ साथ हमारा कंजर्वेटिंग उसको बढ़ाता है, पानी की मात्रा को बढ़ाता है। तो फॉरेस्ट और ये सब मिलके, और ये तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। ये सब आप लोगों की, हमारी वालों सब मिलके इसकी साफ सफाई स्वच्छ रखेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा।
It attracts commuters as well as recreational cyclists, joggers, and walkers. People can unplug, observe, and explore nature, all while enjoying the great outdoors. NTT DATA is committed to sustainability, and our corporate social responsibility initiatives play a huge role in ensuring we stay on course. We're proud to have contributed to the restoration of this lush forest, which provides a green haven and corridor to the residents of Gurugram.